Hello, my name is Madison McCarthy, and I am applying for the Business Transformation Consultant for IBM in Washington, D.C. I feel that I would be a great candidate for this position because being an entrepreneur and starting my own company, which was Ethereal Intimates quite a few years ago, I have everything that you guys are looking for. I have the ability to not only run different technologies, but I also have worked very hard to build connections with different sellers and, people that we're looking for to work within our market. But more importantly, a big focus of mine as an entrepreneur has been building relationships with clients, getting to network, meet new people, find new ways of doing things. And I really just feel like for this role, I would be your best opportunity because I have all the skills that you're looking for kind of packaged into one deal. Ethereal Intimates was a huge project for me, and it gave me a greater appreciation for the business world and all that goes into it. I feel that I've made some very big decisions in being a leader on the team, especially in human resources. I was the one that hired a lot of our new um, employees, brought together the team, was always outsourcing for different partners for the company that would best represent us. I dealt a lot with PR. I was dealing with press releases, our strategic plans, everything like that. So I just really feel like ultimately I would be a great fit for this team. So I just wanted to give some concrete examples of some of the stuff I did while I was with Ethereal Intimates. So here off the bat is a little example of a fact sheet about our company. So obviously we don't need to go in depth about the details, but here is something that I worked on just to build, anytime we were working with a new partner or when we were outsourcing or looking for new clients to talk to. If they didn't have much knowledge on us, we, obviously wanted to give them this fact sheet just to give them a basic idea of what's going on. And also, we would put this out to the media so that we could get our name out there, start building a larger network, really making a stand in our industry. And I feel like this is something that you guys could really use. IBM's obviously a big company, and just presenting yourself more and humanizing yourself as a business a bit more gives you a greater opportunity. So next I'm going to show our strategic plan. So this was our 12-month sustainability action plan. So basically our company wanted to go more sustainable. A big part of owning a company is working with the times and understanding what works and what doesn't. We understood that we needed to be more sustainable. It's something we wanted to do from the beginning. So we created a 12-month action plan where each month we listed specifics of what we were going to do within the company and how we were going to achieve our goals. I think this is really important for any company, especially one as large as IBM, and something that I would really like to integrate. Really sitting down with the team and figuring out what needs to be met each month to come to your goal is something that allows you to be realistic and, meet your end target of what you want to do. In this position, someone needs to fill a lot of shoes, and I feel like having someone that understands the necessities of what needs to be done, but what's also possible for the company is very important. And this is something that I've had a lot of experience with because, obviously I have gone through errors and successes within my own company. So next I want to show more of a visual graphic design that I did. So this is an infographic just about, why us. This is something we sent out to our clients and people within the San Francisco area since that's where we were located. Just a little infographic that I created just showing the highlights of our company and, why picking us over other intimates brands. So, I captivate things that are not only the business side, but I'm also able to create things that, are visually pleasing and, addressing certain audiences. Ultimately, I think IBM is a very world-renowned company and one that I would be lucky to be a part of. So I really hope that you consider me for this position because I really feel like I could prosper there. Thank you so much for listening to me and getting to know me.